We're going to be doing a division problem using a counting method, but this time we have decimal points both in the dividend and the divisor. So I'm going to start here by kind of reconciling my decimal points here. So I'm going to move this one in the divisor over one place, and I'm going to move the decimal point in the dividend over one place. I'm not going to put it up here in the quotient, but I'm just going to remember that I moved both of them over one place. So now instead of having 19.36 divided by 0.8, I have 193.6 divided by 8. So that's how I'm going to think of this problem. But I do still have that decimal point. So I'm in my quotient, I'm going to have one digit after the decimal point. Okay, so we're going to start, as we always do in our division, in our counting method, by writing our divisor on the far left-hand side. So that's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to write my dividend on the far right of my abacus here. And that's 1, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, my 4, 5 exchange, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3 in the tens column, and 6 in the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 exchange, 5, 6. Okay, I'm going to start by comparing the first digits, the digits of my divisor and my dividend. So I have 1 in my dividend, 8 in my divisor, so I know I'm not going to skip a rod. I'm going to go to the left of my dividend and begin writing my quotient here. So I'm going to compare 8 to 19, and I know I can go in 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16, so I'm going to clear 16 from here, clearing the 1 and clearing 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 exchange, return my 4 beads, 6. Now I'm going to compare my 3, the first digit in my dividend, to my divisor. So the divisor is still bigger, and so I'm just going to go directly to the left, and I'm going to compare 33 to 8. How many times does 8 go into 33? I know it goes in 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to subtract. I'm going to multiply 4 times 8, which is 32, and I'm going to clear that from my dividend here. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Next, I'm going to compare the first digit in my dividend again with my divisor, and I know it's smaller, and so I just go directly to the left, begin writing my quotient again. And I'm going to say, how many times does 8 go into 16? And that's 2 times. 1, 2. And 2 times 8 is 16, so I'm going to clear 16. Okay, now I can read my quotient. But remember, I have that decimal point, and then 1 digit after the decimal point. 1 number after the decimal point. So that's how I need to read my answer here too. And my answer, my quotient, is going to be 24.2. And that's basically how you do the division with decimal points on the abacus using the counting method.